Standard 7th Subject Social Science, Chapter number 4, Mughal Empire, Establishment and Extension. In previous semester, we have learned how the Mughal invaded India and started ruling over the states of India. In this chapter, we are going to learn about how the Mughal Emperor extended their rule over India and how they started ruling over India. These are the architectural sites which were constructed by the Mughal. Delhi was under Ibrahim Lodi rule under the time, and Babur ruled in Kabul, Afghanistan. Babur was the ruler of Mughal dynasty. He attacked the Delhi in 1526 CE. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur's well-equipped army, at the Battle of Panipat. This brought an end of Sultanate age and the establishment of Mughal rule. In previous time, there was Rajput's rule over India. After that, Sultanate came to rule over India. When Sultanate were ruling over Delhi, at that time, Babur was ruling in Kabul, Afghanistan, and he was from Mughal rule. Sultanate rule and Mughal rule, both are different communities. At that time, Mughal invaded Delhi and attacked on it. Ibrahim Lodi defeated in this war, and Babur won the many battles, and his descendants gradually extended the empire. Let's learn about the incidents that occurred during the Mughal age and learn more about the administration and social life of that time. How Mughal came to India and how they started ruling over India. The first Mughal came to India was Babur. In 1527 CE, he fought a battle with brave Rana Sanga at Kandwa, in which Babur defeated him and his army was equipped with cannons. In 1530, Babur fell ill and died. He fought many battles to lay a strong foundation of Mughal Empire and gain control over areas near Delhi and Agra. The first war between Babur with Ibrahim Lodi was at 1526, in which Ibrahim Lodi was defeated. After that, Babur started ruling over Delhi. After that, he won many battles with other kingdoms and captured the areas near Delhi and Agra. In this 4-year of time period, he won many battles and captured many of area. In 1530, he fell ill and died. His son was Humayun. Humayun ruled over India, Delhi from 1530 to 1540 and from 1555 to 56. Humayun ascended the throne of Delhi after Babur. According to his father's will, the kingdom was divided and each of his brothers inherited one province. That means one state is given to each of his sons. He retained Delhi. Humayun gained Delhi. Humayun had to struggle a lot against his brother Kamran and the Afghans. Humayun was defeated twice by Sher Shah and he had to escape for 15 years in order to save his life. During that time, Akbar was born in the palace of the king of Amarkot. When Humayun was hiding, he sent his wife in the palace of Amarkot, where Akbar was born. Humayun regained Delhi from the successor of the Sher Shah. Sher Shah Suri was an Afghan leader who had progressed on his own. He defeated Humayun twice and therefore established the Sur dynasty in Delhi. After gaining control over Delhi, he won many other battles. He then extended his empire from Kabul to Bengal and Malwa. In this way, Sher Shah Suri has started ruling over Delhi by defeating Humayun for 2 times. He is known as the reformer in history. Reformer means a person who brings good change in the society. After Sher Shah, the Mughal dynasty was re-established in Delhi. Humayun defeated Sher Shah's successor and regained his kingdom again. Akbar was 13 years old when his father Humayun passed away. Akbar was very young, and so Behram Khan, the minister of Humayun, brought him up as a guardian and took care of the administration on Akbar's behalf. As Akbar was a child who becomes the king of Delhi. Hemu, the leader of Sikandar Sur, established his rule over Delhi when Akbar was in Punjab. With the guidance of Behram Khan, Akbar defeated Hemu in the Battle of Panipat. Since Behram Khan became more independent, Akbar seized away all his power and sent him for Hajj. He was killed on the way to Hajj. Akbar annexed Chittor and Ranthambore in the battle against Rana Pratap. Frequent battles were fought between them. At that time, Rana Pratap and Akbar were the two rulers who was trying to defeat each other. He annexed Kandhar, Kashmir, Kabul, established his rule over Khandesh, Ahmednagar in south. There was a lot of disorder during the last days of Akbar's rule as Prince Salim revolted. Later on, Salim adopted the name of Jahangir and ascended the throne. We have already gathered a lot of information about the different rulers of Mughal dynasty, like Babur, Humayun, Akbar, and Sher Shah Suri of Sur dynasty. In this way, we have learned about the establishments of Mughal in Delhi and Agra and how they establish and extend their rule. At that time, Babur established the rule over Mughal, whereas Humayun was fighting for his rule, and Akbar extended their rule over Delhi and Agra from other states. In next part, we will learn about how Mughal relation with other rulers and how the administration system was in Akbar's region. Thank you.